This video is a guide on how to do one-time settings for sending mail when a SaaS desires the result in his or her inbox. To set up your email, you need to set up an app password in your Google account. For this, go to your Google account and select Security. Under Two-Step Verification, select App Passwords. You may need to sign in. If you don't have this option, it might be because two-step verification is not set up for your account. Select the device as mail and choose the device you're using to generate. Now copy your with the 16-character app password from popup. Next, go to Gs2Web SaaS extension and click Email Setup. A pop-up will open in your Google Sheet. Next, fill your email address and paste the app password in the pop-up. After that, click the Save button. That's it. You have successfully set up the email for your calculator. You can see those details in your dashboard of gsheetpress.com. To check this, log into your SheetPress dashboard and click Calculator tab. Now, select your calculator and you will find it under the lead generation. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more information on Gs2Web SaaS.